Hi, this is Monique. So today I'm doing my first ever giveaway. It's worth over $100 and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like one of my videos, and go to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram. So that's all you have to do, and you can win these 4 shades of L'Oreal Age Perfect Foundation that I used in my YouTube video, this package of Neutrogena facial wipes, and this coconut oil hair pomade as well. And I will ship that to you. Oh, and a Quo brush, like a eyeshadow brush. Okay, so all you have to do, like I said, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. today, you just have to subscribe to my channel, like one of my videos, and follow me over on Instagram. And it is valued at over $100. And I hope that you guys keep following and keep watching all of my videos. So all you have to do is do that, and I will draw the name of the winner either tonight or on Saturday morning. Okay, bye.